Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a promo code to use in OneXBet Sri Lanka. To do this, before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to settings, scroll down, and log out of your account. Once you log out of your account, come back to registration. Once in registration, fill in your informations, change the country to Sri Lanka, then go to promo code and type Chelsea TV. Once you do this, you're going to get a 300% bonus, which implies that if you input 10,000 Sri Lankan rupees, you're going to get 40,000 Sri Lankan rupees. Thank you.